Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. As you can see, this is the chart of natural gas. Before starting the video, I would request you to please join and subscribe the YouTube channel of Forex Planet, and also you can join now our WhatsApp as well as our Telegram channel for free without any fee. Okay, so this is the chart of natural gas according to the multiple time frames, and we have started with a daily time frame. So this is a daily chart, and as you can see, the condition is not very good here. There are a lot of gaps here. So when the market show a gap, we started to analyze the natural gas according to these gaps, but now there are too many gaps and we cannot decide which gaps is going to be filled by the market, as you can see. So this is also a war condition right now, and in the war condition the supply of natural gas is almost cut from the world due to war and because of Iran, and 60-50% of the natural gas is supplied by the Iran in the whole world. So now there is a shortage, but the price of natural gas is decreasing instead of increasing. This is a very troublesome and disturbing factor for the natural gas traders, and I have drawn many gaps in the market. As you can see in the chart, there are almost 6 to 7 gaps that I have successfully drawn. Now what is the condition of natural gas? Let's try to draw our major zone to analyze the chart. So first off, this is a major support level area. This area is very crucial, and 90% 95% of the natural gas is pumped by this zone in the past. As you can see, last time when market touched this zone, it went from 2.6 to 4.6, almost a move of 2000 pips is in less than a September to November, less than 2 months. Okay, so now the market again tested this trend line and gave a move of again 2.8 to almost 4.8, and now third time the market is testing here, and it has already given a strong bullish candle. This is not enough for our analysis to find out the buying rally is started or not. So we have to change our time frame from 1 day to H4 time frame, so we can find out many other small things and details. Okay, again the market is going to be pumped by the natural gas. So this was a buying trend line, a selling trend line. When the market already has broken this, now it is trying to retest this. Okay, this is a breakout point, and after the breakout the market has successfully retested it, made a double bottom pattern here just like that. The first bottom and the second bottom, and then after it is going to pumping. So what is the move or what is the possible outcome in the natural gas? So you have to wait for the natural gas to retest this trend line, retest this area, sorry. This is a strong three soldier body pattern formation in the gold, in the natural gas. As you can see, three soldier body formation, and according to this rule the market should retest 50% of these candles, and after that if it holds here then it will be a strong buying point towards its first resistance level. So what is and where is the first resistance level? Definitely this is the first resistance level. Okay, this is the, which is also a move of already 500 to 600 point move, and we have also a gap here. So the market can fulfill its gap anytime in the upcoming week, because now the market has successfully broken down its selling cuts, and now it is heading towards the buying trade. Okay, so let's move to H1 so we can find out many okay, so the condition is very similar in the H1 condition. Let me remove this. Okay, so this was a resistance area. As you can see, the market has successfully broken down this resistance area. Now the possible condition for the natural gas is to retest this area. then after this resistance it can go up, because we now have again a buying trend line from on this area. So the market can successfully retest this red area or the trend line for its major move in the market. So this was all about natural gas. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section, or if you have a selling or a buying trade stuck in the natural gas, you can DM me on my WhatsApp as well as on my Telegram. Both the links are given in the description of the video. I can help you, and it will only free.